ब्रिजच्यार पयरूच आमी एक रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदपाचो घेयला आनी काम ऑलरेडी सुरू जाला. तो रिटेनिंग वॉल हेच कारणा लागून आमी बांदता. हे पावसाळा फूल बीच धुवन गेली आनी रोड जो तेंकोन वयतालो ऑलमोस्ट रोडा तेंकले आनी एक वर येयल्यार म्हाका दिसता तो रोडूच ना जावपाचो. देखून ताबडतोब हो रिटेनिंग वॉल आमी बांदून घेता आनी आमी हो बऱ्या क्वॉलिटीचो रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदता. कित्याक हो रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदतना आमी ती जी फ्लॅट एरिया मेळटली तेजेर आमी बेंचीस घालतले लोकांक बसपाक. टॉयलेट आहा तो आनी थिंगा सायडीनूच टॉयलेट आहा तोय आमी इम्प्रूव करतले आनी एस्थेटिकली कितें बरें लायटींग जें जाता वीच इज प्लिजींग टू द आयज एंड मॅचींग द बीच ते लायटिंगूय आमी करतले. सो सादारण एक ब्युटिफायड प्लेस फॉर सिटींग right on the beach. People will.
That Chikalim garbage treatment plant.
Yeah, Chikalim garbage treatment plant that has already been tendered. The work will start very shortly. So it is for handling of wet garbage. They will be able to produce manure as well as power if we install the equipment. Right now, the panchayat is in the process of setting it up. A little hurdle is there, some little dry waste which has accumulated. That has to be shifted. So I had requested Milind Naik, who is the Minister of Urban Development, because the redemption of old garbage is done at Sada. So this is only about 60 trucks. If he takes the 60 truck, then MRF material recovery facility also can come up simultaneously, and it will help handling the garbage as soon as possible. Bogmalo is at the tail end. Always there have been issues, there have been problems of inadequate water. But just as we have seen, we have launched one particular work of 26 lakhs, which will cater by putting a new line of almost 2.5 kilometers. So it will cater to almost 6 areas where there was no water supply. This water problem has been accentuated because one particular Badkar has stopped the drawing of well water. Previously villagers had a pump, they used to get good clean water from that well. Now somebody has bought that property and he has stopped them from this. Therefore this line has been put, and we will be taking further steps to see that everybody gets adequate water supply.